guys, how are you all doing? So if una look, una go see say I dey with this our sister wey I post her baby the other day. We don dey look for chance opportunity wey we go take meet, because from time to time they dey hospital since that time. Okay, so abeg bring the camera close so that they go see wetin I dey talk about. See this baby. I don't know, imagine an adult fit dey go through this thing, he go fit explain the kind pain when he dey feel, but this pikin na small pikin. Today I don't know, my mind just full like. So as I come here today, I no come beg you say make you give me money make I use wear clothes, or you see my hair I no make am. I'm not begging you for money to buy Brazilian hair or wear fancy clothes or change my phone. See, na Android I hold for hand, I no even dey use better phone. So wetin carry me come today na this small pikin. If you know anything wey you go fit do, make we use save this pikin life. It's very urgent. Test dey run into millions, surgery dey run into millions. Abeg, I go drop my account number or the mama account number for this video. Nothing is too small. 100 naira. If you fit even do the baby surgery without asking for money, abeg, we are open for it. We no fit, abeg, we go talk, because me I dey talk now, I no know wetin I wan talk, because all brother here want meka orunge. Abeg, talk to my people here. Wetin be your pikin name?
Bright Chidalo.
Bright Chidalo. Yes. Nothing go stop your life.
So
talk.
Audience, you people should help us. So the baby is in pains, like serious pains. He's in serious pains. He don't normally sleep at night. He don't normally sleep at night. You can see how I'm holding him now. So the pain is too much. We've run series of tests in the hospital, and his finance that is holding the surgery, which is about 1.3 million. So you people should help us, please. I don't even need them. Please, for the sake of anything wey you know say una go do for the sake of this small baby. No be for me oh. If na me this thing dey do, I fit handle am, I fit know wetin I go talk. But this pikin no dey talk, you no know as the pain dey take dey do am. Abeg, make una try. Even surgery, the test wey they suppose run for this pikin now, they never fit run am. Scan, they never fit do am because of money. If I get this money, trust me, before God and man, I no go come here dey tell una all these plenty things. Abeg, please, I use God in heaven to beg you people, make una help us. I dey beg una. God will bless you. Anyway, you are going to be bringing out that money from. If you be person you dey look for pikin and you dey see this video, please try make you sow a seed in this baby's life. By this time next year, you go carry your own pikin wey go dey sound and healthy. Abeg, I use God beg una. Yeah. Thank you, and God bless us.